So you may be wondering, okay, Mike, what is going to happen if I fill out this form? Are you guys going to send my email address to a bunch of people? Am I going to get spammed every other day? I'm here to tell you none of that stuff's going to happen. We never share email lists with anybody else, and we don't spam you. Our goal is really simply to educate you. So in this guide, you're going to learn about bathtubs, which is really why this bathtub guide exists. Well, what specifically is in this guide? Well, you're going to learn first about 13 bathtub remodeling mistakes you do not want to make, so it'll save you some money. Secondly, you may be wondering, should I get a freestanding tub or an alcove tub? There's an article in here that's going to go about the pros and cons of both of those different types. And then lastly, if you're wondering, should I get an alcove tub shower replacement kit, but what all is included in it, what do I need to look for? There's also information on that in the guide as well. So if you do have questions, certainly feel free to give us a call. If not, fill out that form, get educated, make a better decision for you and your family. And if there's anything we can do to help you along in that process, we would certainly be delighted to do that. Thanks so much. We appreciate your interest and hope we can help you in the future.